Hello, welcome to this video. So this video will be about a multiple choice question in paper 2 of the ESE about equations of circle. First of all, we are given an equation. So this equation, I'm afraid, is not in its standard form. So that's why we need to divide the whole equation by 5. So that's why, we will have x squared plus y squared, and then minus 6x plus 2y, and then plus 1.2 equals to 0. Good. And then we need to find out the center. So center, would be 3, negative 1, based on the standard form. So negative 6 divided by negative 2, 2 divided by negative 2. So 3, negative 1. So that's why D will be incorrect. And then after that, we try to find the circumference. So the circumference will be 2 pi r. And then r, we just try to recite from the formula. So it's 3 squared plus 1 squared minus the f term, so minus 1.2. So as a result, 9, 10, 8.8. Right, so that's why that would be 2 pi times square root of 8.8. And then, so that would be approximately 18.6. And then that would be less than 20. So that's why actually that would be option C. But we have to make sure that option A, option B, so they're incorrect. For option A, so here we need to calculate the distance between the origin and center. So that will be 3 minus 0 all square, and then plus negative 1 minus 0 all square. So that would be basically 3 squared plus 1 squared. And that would be square root 10. And then bigger than square root of 8.8. So that means the radius would be, the distance between the origin and the center would be longer than the radius. That's why the origin would lie outside the center. Lie outside C, outside the circle. And then finally, so that's why this one, option A, incorrect. Option B, we need to do the sketching. So here I'm afraid the center is 3, negative 1. So basically, first of all, 3, negative 1. 3, negative 1, so that will be somewhere here. So this is the center. Okay, so and then the radius is square root of 8.8, which is less than 9. So that's why this circle would not cut the y-axis like this, because from here to there will be 3 on it, but I'm afraid the radius is just square root of 8.8, which is less than square root of 9. So C lies in the second quadrant, no, but I'm afraid you can see this part is just 1. 1, okay, you can see that means the distance between the center and the x-axis would be less than that of the radius. So that's why you can see C, the circle C, would be cutting the x-axis at two distinct points. So that's why part of the circle would lie in the first quadrant. So that's why option B is incorrect. So that's why we need to do some sketching. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.